Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got beef, and this is a beef brisket, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make the best braised beef brisket Texas style, and it's going to be the juiciest. All right, anyway, that's what you're going to need. You're going to need this a beef brisket. I got the skin on the other side, and what I was doing with it right here, I'm trying to dry it all the way out. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do with this on both sides. All right, so I can take these off. I think it's dry enough. I let it sit out room temperature for about a good 2 hours. And the reason why I'm doing that is because we're going to inject that. Okay, that's right. And I'm going to inject it with some of this French onion soup. I put a little beef base in it, and I put like 3 tablespoons of butter in it. Okay, so, and we got the seasoning right here for the meat. There's some smoked paprika right here, some black pepper. This right here, some granulated onion and granulated garlic. And right here, some Tuscan Rub right here. All right. And so we don't want our stuff to get dry out, so we're going to have to do some onions. This is going to sit at the bottom. Okay. Also, with them onions, I did use 2 apples. That's why I left them out here, because I already sliced them up right here. And those right there. Alright? They ain't got to be pretty or nothing. They're just going to add more flavor to it. Okay? So we can put that to the side. And I also have, I'm going to try something new. I never did it before, but I'm going to try it. This is some mesquite wood right here. Okay? And I have that over here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to set it on fire. So what I'm going to do pretty much. And that's what this is. That's what this for right here, guys. And then while I'm cooking it, I'm going to put this in the oven with it. Okay? But I'm going to put the foil on over it. Here's the pan right here with the foil. Alright? That's what that is. Here's my syringe for my my broth and stuff right here. So let me scoot this stuff to the side, if I can show you guys what I'm about to do with that. Alright. And you do want your butter to look like that, okay guys? You want it to look like that because it's going to, when you squeeze it in the meat, it's going to stay thick like that. So I got an electric thing right here. Alright. Alright, let's try it. If I can get it going, again. There it is. Okay, that's good enough, I'm assuming. We're going to see that we had to do that because we got to put it in this syringe. This is the biggest syringe I can find so far. So I'm going to take this off. Put this to the side. Put this in the sink, in the dishwasher, or whatever. Alright. So here's my syringe right here, guys. So you just take that out of there and twist it on here like so. And they have the little holes right here, one right here and the other one on the other side right there. So all we're going to do is go like this, suck it up in here like that. See how it is in there? We're going to inject that in the meat like so. Okay? So we're doing nothing hard. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to go ahead and get my seasoning together, and I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. All we're gonna do here is gonna come in here with the smoked paprika first. Show you guys that. Put that on there first. So we'll probably be doing like a teaspoon. Just like that, guys. Let's see, go with the onion. I would go with the garlic. Teaspoon. So a teaspoon of that. Teaspoon of onion, granulated, just like that. Then I got some this Tuscan Rub right here. So a teaspoon of that. I got some black pepper. Go with like a tablespoon. Alright. And we're just gonna like press down on that. Now if you wanted to, you could have probably used some like olive oil on it. If you wanted to. Alright, we're gonna flip this over. Some of my seasoning probably come off. See that? I'm gonna take some of this, put it on this side. I'm not too pressed about it too much. Alright. Some like olive oil or something like that. So I might do that anyway. Okay. Makes a big difference, guys. Alright, we'll come with this black pepper. Texas style beef brisket. Juicy. Oh my God. Alright. I think that's about a tablespoon. Alright. Move this stuff out the guy's way. Alright. So here's what we're going to do. Now, you could let this sit and marinate for another half an hour, 45 minutes. But we're not going to do all that. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. If I can put some olive oil on that side as well. Some coarse sea salt on here too. If I can get it come out. There we go. So yeah, we probably do like a teaspoon of that. Alright, that should stick on there better now. Alright, put some on this side. Alright guys, now we're going to go take it over there and sear this stuff up. Alright, take you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. While this warming up, I'm just going to take some of this stuff. I wanted to do it like after I sear it, but I got to thinking if I did it after I sear it, it may not do right. So I'm just go ahead and inject some of this in there. I might inject some more after I get through searing it as well. Okay, put a little olive oil in here. Skin side down first. Ew. Just like that. Turn this up some. And we're not trying to cook it, we're just braising it. Put a little bit more of this in there, just in case. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do this probably like about, look at it. No, it's not ready. We'll probably sear this like, I want to say about 4 minutes on each side, maybe 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Then we'll flip it and do it on the other side. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now I did flip it over, so it's good enough for me. And I did inject some more while I flipped it, so I'm just sit it over here and chill for a second. So the next thing we want to do is get these onions going. So we add a little bit more of this in there. Should be good enough. Put these onions up again. So I'm going to use this little smaller one. So I'm going to be scratching this Teflon pan. Just pretty much browning this up a little bit. Apples in there. Alright. Turn this off. Take stuff. And just slide this up on here. Like that. Let it rest on that. Just like that, guys. This is where that's going to be at. Right up in here. Okay? I'm just trying something now, guys. Hope you guys will be like, this dude is crazy. You gotta burn it out of the house. No, I ain't trying to light it like super light on fire or something like that. No, I ain't trying to do that. So I inject this some more. Try mango next time. Ooh, it went everywhere that time, didn't it? I'm gonna take the rest of this stuff, just like put it down here like this. We're gonna cook this guy for at least about a good 5 hours. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm like 300 or something. Alright, let me get my lighter and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Just gonna try to turn this on. You can see that? Right here. Oh, it's up too high, that's why. See that? Okay. Harder or whatever. This. I want to, but this way we're trying to get going. See that? Turn this on. It may not work. So I ain't gonna worry about it. Alright, put this in the oven. 300. See guys, in about 5 hours, in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been about 4.5 hours. And I think it's done enough. What you think, guys? So we gotta let this rest up. And by it being late, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this up and put it up in some foil after it cooled down. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like. It'll be in like a minute for you guys. But it'll be probably like about more like 7 hours. So that's all we're gonna do for right now. And I'm gonna show you what we're gonna have with it, okay? See you guys in a minute. Hey guys, simply this is all you wanna do is just wrap it up, put it in the foil like this, and it'll finish cooking by itself, okay? But like I said, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna rewarm this up tomorrow because it's got kind of late. So that's that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, which will probably be in a minute for you guys, in a minute. Okay fam, I am back. This is the next day. Like I said, it was late last night, so I just warmed it back up and all that stuff for about good 25 minutes. Let it rest, and we're gonna take it out off of here. I'm hot. I'm gonna slice a few of them up to see what we got. What we got here? Look pretty good. Ooh, it's hot too. Tears apart real easy. Hooks good. Not too bad. So what I'm gonna do is take care. I'm gonna take this right here, put it on a piece of bread, put some barbecue sauce and some cheese on it. I'll show you how it looks when it's all done. I'm going to finish cutting this up. Tender than mother love. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, that's it. I'm done with this beef brisket. Okay, braised beef brisket. Here's this little sandwich I got here. Put a little barbecue sauce and some Swiss cheese on it. Get a hat off it. That's how that looks. Here's the beef brisket right here. Now what happened was here I cooked it too long, so it took a lot of the color out. It got like too done. So we don't want that to happen no more. So I will be making another one, but next time I make it, it'll probably be getting smoked or something like that. Okay guys? Alright guys, so let's go ahead and wrap this up because I gotta make some other stuff to go with this stuff. Alright guys, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget that. That's right. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out.